Hello, my name is Steady, and today we're going to be talking about coincident indicator. So what is a coincident indicator? Well, a coincident indicator is a metric which shows the current state of economic activity within a particular area. Coincident indicators are important because it shows economists and policymakers the current state of the economy. The graph provided by the Federal Reserve shows the increase of people on non-farm payroll over the years. In this graph, we can see that it is increasing on a steady rate, so that means that as the years pass by, more people are getting non-farm agricultural jobs. Zooming into the years of 2006 to 2016, the present, we can clearly see the four phases of the business cycle: the expansion, the peak, the contraction, and the trough. There are two expansions, one from 2006 to 2008 and 2011 to present. This expansion phase is when the economy is rising, but in this case, it is when the number of people of non-farm payroll is increasing. The peak is the highest value in the business cycle, and that value is in 2008, since the number of people on the payroll is still increasing. The contraction phase is when the economy or the number of people on non-farm payroll begins to decrease, which leads to the trough. The trough is the lowest point in the business cycle, and the lowest point in this business cycle is in 2010, the lowest amount of people on the non-farm payroll. The reason for that decline may be because there was not sufficient jobs for everyone. In an article by the Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco, stated that the Federal Reserve Bank and others carefully analyzed trends in the non-farm payroll employment series published by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Over time, these data have been proven to be an important indicator of economic conditions because they move closely in line with the overall economy and are published monthly on a timely basis. In addition, payroll job data are published for a large number of industries. This industry detail helps the Fed to evaluate labor market and business conditions across a wide array of industries. So therefore, economies can evaluate economic conditions for these regions and make comparisons with other geographic areas. So overall, the way coincident indicators help economists understand the economy from the past, the present, and the future is that they are able to understand how the past is affecting the present